got the Southern Northerner here today on this beautiful Sunday morning. The governor won't let us go to church today, so I'm going to trim the heavenly bushes. Anyway, so what I got is this tree, and it's overgrown today. I'm going to do some tree trimming today. Now, my cousin sister, she says, "Are you sure this is a good idea?" I said, "Yeah, why is it not a good idea?" She said, "Because you're not a professional." I said, "Well, I'm offended by that remark." I said, "Why, just the other day I cut trees down at work and I got paid for it, so that makes me a professional." So that's what I say makes me professional. Anyways, we're going to cut that one down, that one down, and that one. We're going to trim it up. We ain't going to cut the whole tree down. We're just going to trim it up. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and proceed in the tree trimming endeavor. Now, I got my safety gear here. Got myself some safety glasses from work. And I got my helmet. Now, just in case, I feel better with it on, even though it probably won't do a dang bit of good. I should probably have a safety harness on and then harness myself to the tree. But that's too much work. So, we got the saw here today. We got a Husqvarna 440. It's a pretty good old rig. Now, hopefully she starts up. Now, I'm going to start it before I climb up the ladder because I don't want to be pulling the rope while I'm up in the air. I don't think that's a good idea. I'll cut this one down first. Here we go. It's making me look bad. Got it going up. It shuts off on me when I'm in the tree. That's how it works. That's alright. I'm going to actually get in the tree because it's safer in the tree.
Oh, good Lord. He's gonna kill himself.
You probably can't see me, but I'm up here anyway.
I don't think anything broke.
Alright, I'm coming out of the tree now. Successfully cut the branch down. While I'm up in the tree, I've determined that I cannot get to the other limbs I wanted to do because the ladder ain't long enough, and I don't feel like crawling out there. It didn't feel right. we're gonna get this one sectioned up here. We got it away from the house. The goal was to get the branches away from the house because it damaged the roof. We don't want to damage the roof. So anyways, we're gonna clean it all up. But thanks for joining me today on this endeavor. And remember, you know, always be safe. Try to do things right. If you're not comfortable doing it, then don't do it. Hire a professional. I just am overconfident because I am a male from the country, and we just do everything at risk of bodily injury. So thank y'all for joining me today. Appreciate all you out there. Make sure you subscribe, like, share it with your friends. God bless America. Go Trump.